Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make tomato and ginger chutney from the Puliadi's kitchen. This flavorful chutney goes very well with idlis and dosas. This tasty and spicy chutney is very popular among Saurashtrians and I'm sure you're going to love this too. Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make tomato and ginger chutney. This chutney comes out really good and it's very tasty and you're going to love it. Let's learn how to make this chutney. To make this chutney, we need 3 large tomatoes. I have cut them and kept. If you have medium sized tomatoes, you can add 6 to 7 tomatoes. I am going to use half red onion. You can use yellow or red onion, whichever you have at home. You need 2/3 tablespoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. We need 1/8 cup of chana dal, vegetable oil, and we need little bit of ginger and 9 red chilies. For seasoning in oil, we need mustard seeds, hing, 2 red chilies, chana dal and urad dal. If you want to make less chutney, you can reduce the ingredients into half and then make your chutney. I usually make more chutney and store it in the fridge and use it for 2 to 3 days. This tomato and ginger chutney is my all-time favorite and let's learn how to make it. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a big pan you can add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil gets hot, you can add the onions to this. Stir the onions for 2 minutes and then you can add the chana dal to this. We are going to add 1/8 cup of chana dal. After adding the chana dal, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes until the chana dal becomes golden brown. I am going to add 9 red chilies. You can add less red chilies if you want. But this chutney is supposed to be spicy, so add at least 5 to 7 red chilies, not less than that. Fry it nicely on low flame until the onions change color. You can add the cut ginger pieces to this now. Fry it all together for another 5 minutes on low flame so everything gets cooked nicely and the aroma of the ginger and onions fills the room. Add 2/3 tablespoon of salt to this, or you can add salt according to your taste. Stir it well and when the onions gets cooked nicely, you can add the tomatoes. Add 3 big tomatoes or 6 to 7 medium sized tomatoes. Stir it well and cook the tomatoes for about 7 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes become mushy. Keep stirring the chutney so all the ingredients will get cooked evenly. See how nicely the tomatoes have been cooked? You can switch off the stove now. Cool the chutney and grind the chutney in the blender with very little water, and the consistency of the chutney should look like this when it's ground. You can pour the chutney into the pan and then bring it to a boil since we added water when we ground the chutney. Once it bubbles like this, you can switch off the stove. For tempering, add 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of chana dal and little bit of hing. Once the mustard seed starts to crackle, you can switch off the stove and you can add the tempering to the chutney. Mix it well and your world famous tomato and ginger chutney from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Enjoy this tasty chutney with idli, dosa, pongal, upma, etc. I hope you are liking all my chutney recipes, and I'm sure you're going to love this one too. So please make this and enjoy with your family. Thank you.